Jocon. Chicken and green sauce. A main dish from Guatemala. Serves 2. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Cook the chicken in the water with the salt in a covered kettle until soft, about 30 minutes. Remove the chicken and set aside. Step 2. Reserve broth and soak tortillas in it. Step 3. Toast the squash seeds and sesame seeds in a dry skillet over moderate to low heat until they turn a light tan color, about 10 minutes. Step 4. Prepare sauce in processor. First grind the squash and sesame seeds. Add the cilantro, scallions, tomatillos, hot chili pepper and 1 cup of the reserved broth. Add the soaked tortillas and process brown the chicken pieces in oil over moderate heat for 5 minutes. Add the green sauce and the balance of the broth, about 2 cups. Step 6. Simmer over low heat for 15 minutes, until the sauce is reduced to a thick, rich, green consistency. Serve warm. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.